Pictures inside Kairo Forbes aka and DJ Zinhle's daughter 3rd birthday party. Pics. Inside Kairo Forbes' 3rd birthday party. Mzansi's showbiz first daughter Kairo Forbes is turning the big 3 on the 8th of July, but her proud parents couldn't wait holding a birthday party for their princess this past Saturday. The party was attended by both AKA and Zinhle's families and some of their celeb friends and their kids, including Kairo's godfather Dales and his daughter Maddie, and Zinhle's friend Nonal Jolly and her daughter. Check out the party in photos below. Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.